President Biden has proposed a new rule that will make it more likely for millions of gig economy workers to be classified as employees. Uber and Lyft and DoorDash all trading lower on this news. Yahoo Finance's Brooke DiPalma sticking around with us for this conversation. Brooke?
That's right. So this new labor law will allow protection of workers' basic rights, make it easier for employers to properly classify their workers, and also protect independent businesses that follow the law. Of course, that's out from the U.S. Department of Labor this morning. Companies now expected to provide certain benefits to full-time employees and not to contractors. Of course, that includes minimum wage, overtime, a portion of workers' Social Security taxes, and contributions to unemployment insurance. But here in a tweet from U.S. Secretary, he says that misclassification hurts workers by denying them important benefits and basic rights like that minimum wage and overtime pay. It's a problem we often see in low-wage jobs. Enforcing the rights of misclassified workers is a priority because these workers have so much at stake. Of course, this comes on the heels of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade earlier this summer. And it also comes after 25 Democratic members of Congress, led by Elizabeth Warren, Representative Bush, Cory Bush it is in Missouri, sent letters to the CEO of Amazon, Lyft, DoorDash, and Grubhub to question a policy that was a Trump-era decision. Now, of course, Wall Street reacting to this, shares lower on Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. Dan Ives, show favorite here, calling this a clear blow to the gig economy and a near-term concern for the likes of Uber and Lyft. He also added that depending upon this model, it could really overturn the likes of DoorDash, like Lyft, like Uber. Of course, these customers or employees rather coming in, doing their job here and there, and then going, not right now, getting the full benefits of an employee. So lots more fallout to come from this decision. Now, once again, this is the second attempt of the Biden administration to overturn this.
Yeah, and you just see these harsh reactions, notably with Lyft there. This is an issue that has long plagued this industry as well, but this comes at a time as these companies finally start to achieve a little bit of profits. Yeah. If this changes, if this goes against them, that immediately brings them back to losing large sums of money.
At a time where, as well, some of the prices that they had passed on in surcharges for gas as well to consumers, where that had started to, at least on the gas price front, started to come down in terms of the relation to the highest peaks that we had seen on an all-time basis earlier this year. And so those surcharges finally starting to come down, but yet this could also factor into the higher and elevated prices consumers are seeing on the gig economy front too. Absolutely. So we're going to be watching this very closely. Yahoo Finance's own Brooke DiPalma breaking this down for us. Thanks, Brooke.